Okay, this is let's just give our respect to the people who are buried here, and but I kind of want to show a little bit of respect and interest to people who are interested to see what it looks like a little bit. So we're just gonna kind of show you a little bit of this, and peace and respect to all the people that are buried here and who have family here, and no disrespect as well. So let's come back and I'll try to show you from details from this angle right here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, this is a Macau graveyard. And actually they're quite beautiful, which is the reason I wanted to share it anyways, because you can see kind of the care and attention to all these. They're quite small, and then, you know, when I've seen pictures of places in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and New Orleans, you know, it's like more Latin style. So it kind of has, to me, this kind of Latin feel, but it's very Chinese as well, because there's like pictures and like the way, I don't know, it's its own unique little thing. But I'm just kind of saying that there's similarities in other countries. So, but it's quite beautiful and stunning. And you can actually come up from up above, which is where most people would approach this at. And I just happen to be down below, and I'll give you a little context. This little area is a little bit more like industrial, factory, mechanics, things like that. So you can see that kind of feel to it. So, and the way that I got here was this tiny little street in Taipa called Rua de Felicidade, Street of Happiness, that leads right to the cemetery. So that's kind of interesting in its way. A way to, you know, Street of Happiness leads into this. I don't know, take that as a symbolic of some kind. I'm not really sure exactly the meaning, but it's interesting anyways. I don't know, maybe there's no connection at all with that. But you can kind of see these kind of unique little, beautiful little pavilions that overlook things, and there's a lot of beauty in this. But anyways, I just wanted to at least like share it with people that might be a little bit more curious about Macau. These little lions. Huh. That's interesting that went down. I guess they clean out everything, so they put things there. I definitely won't go any further than this, but okay. So that's in this one. Much respect to all the people that passed away and all their loved ones as well.